everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So you can see I'm wearing my new jacket today. Today is a beautiful spring day. It actually got colder out. Yesterday we were approaching 80, believe it or not. And today I think it's only going to be in the 50s and 60s maybe. I went outside already today to do my food shopping, and I'm very comfortable in just wearing this jacket and my jeans. So today I have one Stitch Fix shop your look, or what do they call it, Freestyle now, and a bunch of stuff at White House Black Market. So let me just get over and done with the Stitch Fix item. I'm super disappointed. It's my own fault. I saw these earrings and I really liked them, and I went, oh, those are pretty. Click, add them to the bag, purchase, done. They came very quickly in the mail. I ordered some other things as well, but these came first because I'm sure they shipped from a different warehouse. I love Nakamol, and looking at these earrings online and not blowing them up, I love them. But now that I have them, and oops, they actually came right out of the thing. I'm not even going to try them on for you. They are not my style whatsoever. So they're quite long. I thought they were going to be like this, like literally half of this. And they're super long, super heavy, a big stone in the middle, and talk about a statement earring. They would come down, look how long, whoops, they come out again. It's coming down past my shoulder on me. So these are not for me. These are also Nakamol earrings that I have in now, but I thought these would be more like this and not as long as they are and as heavy as they are. So they will be going back immediately. Not my style. I love the stones in them though. They're pretty blue, a little pink. It would kind of go look nicely with this jacket, right? But yeah, so I'll have to look for other earrings. I am looking for something pink to match my jacket because I think this is really cute. These earrings have a little bit of pink in them, but as you can see, the color is mostly blues and teals. So I definitely want cute earrings to match this jacket, as well as cute shoes. Next up, White House Black Market. I haven't shopped in there in a long time. And the reason why I haven't shopped in there is I haven't been getting any coupons, and their prices are outrageous. So they finally sent me some coupons, and I had like a shopping cart, like everything I like, I put in a shopping cart, on the site, and I had like well over $2,000 of items I was interested in trying on. And of course, the store doesn't always have everything in store, and on top of that, sometimes you see things in store and it doesn't look like it was online, and then other things you see that you didn't notice online, and you're like, ooh, all right. So first thing that I saw that I had online was this cute little green kind of, it's kind of like a dark sage, I guess you would call it, sweater. And it's like completely see-through. You would have to wear a cami underneath it. This is an extra small, and it's $89. Every item I'm going to show you, I think, is $89. So it has the rounded neck, but the back is a V with this little bar going across. And you know what? I would call this, I guess, a sleeveless dolman style almost. I don't know. I'm not quite sure how you would call it, but I love the shape of this and how it goes in at the waist. I love things that define my waist. So the price on this was $89. I think everything I got was $89, but with my coupons, the total of the three items together were $168. And I actually have more things picked out than I bought, but I had to prioritize. I had a pecking order. I had to get my order below $600, below $200. I wish $600. My order below $200, and I just kept picking off items until we got there. So I had a pecking order of what I wanted. Next up, I had no intentions of getting jeans. There were a pair of jeans I wanted, but they aren't even online yet. They literally are saying coming soon. So I couldn't even see what they look like in store. But then I saw these jeans, and I kept passing them and passing them. I'm like, I don't need jeans. Kept going back to them. I'm like, oh, those are kind of cute. Walked away. I don't need jeans. Came back to them. Oh, that was kind of really cute. I'm like, oh, it can't hurt to try them on. So then I finally tried them on, and I'm like, oh, damn, these are cute. So these are, let's see if I can find a name for you. The Everyday Soft High-Rise Straight Crop. And I got my typical size 0. And they are a straight leg, but due to my shortness and my thick calves, they're not going to quite look like a crop straight leg on me. But they still are quite cute, and I really do like them. And I will try them on for you, as well as the cute little green sweater. And again, I believe these were $89. Yes, everything I picked out was $89. I think that's just their standard rate. They should just call it the $89 store. All right, next up, I did have this on my wish list, but I had it in a different color. And when I saw it in this color, I was like, oh, pretty color, mint green. I love mint green. I have a green thing this spring. I'm into green. I'm into pink, peach, orange. I'm into these like bright springy colors. So this one is the Peplum, the SL Mix Peplum PO. And again, $89 in an extra small. Now, just like warning you, I'll tell you what the fabric is. This feels very polyestery. 74% rayon, 25% nylon, 1% spandex. I'd never guessed that. To me, this feels very polyestery. But this is really cute, and it has some really cute detail, and I literally like the way it looked on me. All right, so I'll try that on for you, and I'll tell you the jean content too, because they're called the Everyday Soft Denim, and they are super soft. 91% polyester, 91% cotton, 7% polyester, 2% spandex. Super, super soft and comfy. And the sweater is, and this is obviously a sweater I got to be very careful with. I might go well with these earrings. I'll have to look. Sweater, 98% rayon, 2% other fiber. But it is really, again, a cute little top and would look cute on. So give me a minute and I'll do a try on. Okay, first up I have the jeans and this cute little peplum top. Now I'll be honest with you, I'm not usually a fan of peplum tops because of the way they hit me and they end up making my hips look wider. I don't think this one is bad. I think this one, the way it's fit, and again, I like things that accentuate my waist, the smallest part of my body. So the fact that this has like this nice banding right here around the waist. I'll come closer so you can see the details on this. And I'm warning you, this does feel like a polyester top despite the fabric content. So some of you might not like that. Look at the, almost like a diamond pattern here. And it's like a crepey type of material. And it has like a little bit of like ruching here. I really like this. This is really adorable. Very pretty color, and this would be a nice addition to my wardrobe. The jeans. I was debating whether to size up, but the sales lady convinced me not to, saying they're going to stretch out on you, and she's right, you know. They're not tight. They don't feel uncomfortable. They're super soft and stretchy, so she's right. They would stretch out on me if I did size up. They fit me just okay now. I'd probably, if I were to wear them, I might end up rolling them up to make them look like a crop, because they're not quite a crop on me. But if I roll them up, I think that's a cute look. And I don't have anything with these pork chop pockets here in front. I think that's cute too. All right. So yeah, I'm happy with these jeans. Did I need another pair of jeans? Absolutely not. And I tried to resist. Trust me, I kept going up to them, looking at them, walking away, saying, Carolyn, you don't need jeans. Kept going back up to them, admiring them, until finally I said, let me just try them on. And of course I fell in love. All right, give me a minute and I'm gonna throw on the sweater with those jeans. Hold on. Okay, here's the sweater. And you're gonna get a lecture from me. So here's the deal. I see a lot of you saying you need to purge your closets and you're gonna get rid of things because you haven't worn them in a while. Don't. I'm old enough to know that things that you haven't worn in a while doesn't mean you'll never wear them. Linda from Mature Sass said the same thing. Don't purge because you haven't worn in a year. That's the most ridiculous thing. You purge something because you don't like it anymore. You purge something because it's stained or torn. You purge something because it's like, you know, doesn't fit. It's ill-fitting, you know. Those are the reasons you purge. Because you haven't worn it in a while, you know, doesn't mean that you'll never wear it again. And I'll give you an example, is this cami, okay? Look at how this cami matches the color of this. Now, it's not an exact match, but when it's underneath, and I use a cami with this, I think it goes quite well. And you would think that I'm wearing a matching set, but it's a cami I got from New York & Company probably 20 years ago. And I'm not joking when I say 20 years ago. And I probably haven't worn it in the last 15. But I said, you know what? I said, it's a cami. Let me keep it. You never know when you might need this color. And I'm so glad I did, because now I have a top that matches it. So I know a lot of people like get rid of things. You get rid of things because you say, this is not my style anymore. I'm not happy with it. Get rid of it. If it doesn't fit, get rid of it. Stained, torn, etc., get rid of it. But if it's just because, I just haven't picked it up and worn it, why are you getting rid of it? Hold on to it. You never know when you might need it. Why are you gonna rebuy something, I think if I wore white under this, it would look funny. And actually, I don't have any beige camis. I need some nude color camis. Matter of fact, I gotta put that on my list. I don't have any nude color camis, nor do I have half camis, and I need some of those because during the summertime when it's really hot, I don't wanna wear a full cami. And a lot of my shirts, the V's come low, so I do need some sort of half cami for some modesty. So this is the sweater. I think it's adorable. Great spring top. As long as it's not really hot and humid during the summer, I'm going to wear this. Oh, look at the back too. I didn't lift up my hair. So isn't that a cute detail on the back? With the necklace out of the way so you can see. So yeah, I'm very happy with these purchases and I'm pleased to add them to my wardrobe. All right, well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, why not? I'm free. Give me a thumbs up and click that notification bell. Take care and until next time.